Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some mind-bending math riddles that will challenge your brain and sharpen your problem-solving skills. You know, the human brain is a fascinating piece of machinery. It's capable of incredible feats of calculation and logic, yet sometimes it gets stumped by the simplest of puzzles. Are you ready to put your brain to the test? Let's get started. Our first riddle asks, I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. What number am I? Now we're talking about numbers, the very language of the universe. Every odd number, when paired with its successor, completes a pattern, a cosmic dance of sorts. But this riddle wants us to play with words as well as numbers. Think about it. What odd number, with the strategic removal of a single letter, transforms into its even counterpart? Take a moment. Let those synapses fire. The answer, my friends, is 7. Remove the S and you're left with even. It's a play on words, a bit of linguistic trickery, but that's how we roll in the cosmos, isn't it? Our next enigma. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? This one takes us on a journey through the fabric of time itself. A minute, a measure of fleeting moments, a moment even more ephemeral, but 1,000 years? That's deep time, cosmic time. The question tricks us into thinking about quantity, about the frequency of events within these timescales, but the answer lies in the words themselves. What letter appears once in minute, twice in moment, but never in 1,000 years? It's the letter M. Language, it seems, can be just as puzzling as the cosmos itself. Chapter 3. The Enigma of Entry. Ready for another one? I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you can't go outside. What am I? This riddle takes us beyond the realm of numbers and into the world of abstract thought. We're dealing with something that has keys but no physical locks, something that offers space but not in a traditional sense. Think of the intangible. Think of the world of ideas and information. The answer? A keyboard. Those keys unlock a world of possibilities on the screen, a vast digital space. You enter this space with each keystroke, but there's no physical outside to escape to. It's a reminder that even in a digital age, riddles can still challenge our perceptions. Chapter 4. Company of Numbers. This time we'll delve into the social life of numbers. If 2's company and 3's a crowd, what are 4 and 5? This one feels like a math problem, doesn't it? We're given a numerical pattern, a social dynamic expressed through numbers. But the answer isn't found through addition or multiplication. It's found in a simple phrase we all know. 9. 4 and 5 together make 9. See, sometimes the most obvious answer is the right one. It's a reminder not to overthink things, to embrace the elegant simplicity that often underlies complex problems. Chapter 5. The Fragility of Silence. Our final riddle for today asks, what is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Now, this riddle takes us to the edge of philosophy, to the very essence of existence. What is it that exists only in the absence of its own acknowledgement? What is so delicate, so ethereal, that the mere act of naming it shatters its very being? The answer, my friends, is silence. Think about it. The moment you utter the word silence, you've broken it. It's a paradox, a beautiful illustration of how language shapes our reality. Outro farewell, fellow explorers. How did you do? Were you able to solve all the riddles? Let us know in the comments below. These riddles, while seemingly simple, force us to think differently, to challenge our assumptions about the world around us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more brain-teasing content. Until next time, keep challenging your mind.